In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Calendly link URL so you can customize it to better match your name, brand, or business. Having a clean, memorable link makes it easier for people to remember and trust your scheduling page, and it also looks more professional when you share it in emails or on social media. Before we get started, make sure you're already logged into your Calendly account in your web browser. It's much easier to follow along if you're on the main dashboard where you can see your events and settings. Once you're on your Calendly dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there. This might be your initials, a photo, or a generic icon if you haven't added an image yet. Move your mouse over that avatar and click on it. This is where Calendly keeps many of your personal settings and account options. After you click the avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled My Link. This is the section that controls the unique URL people use to book time with you. Go ahead and click My Link. It should open a page or a panel where you can see your current Calendly link. On this screen, you'll see your existing link with a text field at the end. The first part of the link is usually the standard Calendly domain, followed by a slash and your personal extension. That extension is the part you're allowed to change. Carefully click into that text field so your cursor is active there. Now clear the existing text in that link field. You can backspace it or highlight it and delete it so that the extension area is blank. Then type in the new URL extension you'd like to use. This could be your name, your business name, or a simple variation that's easy for people to recognize and remember. Keep in mind that it usually can't include spaces and may need to be unique. So if your first choice is taken, try a small variation like adding a middle initial or short word. Take a moment to double check your spelling here. This link is what you'll be sharing with clients, colleagues, or friends, so you want it to look clean and professional. Once you're happy with what you've typed, look for the button that says Save Changes. Click Save Changes to confirm and apply your new URL. Calendly will update your account so that anyone using your scheduling link from now on will be directed to this new address. If Calendly has any issue with the link, such as it already being in use, you'll usually see a message prompting you to adjust it. After saving, it's a good idea to copy your new link and test it in a separate browser tab. Paste it into the address bar, press Enter, and confirm that it opens your scheduling page correctly. You can also update this link wherever you've shared it before, like in your email signature, website, or social profiles, so everything stays consistent, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Calendly link URL, giving your scheduling page a cleaner and more personalized identity.